Quick shots from my balcony here. We're going by some beautiful morning, some blue skies up there, and still a little chilly out here, probably in the 40s, low 40s I think he said, but some nice glaciers there. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful up there? That certainly is great. I have to get my other camera. That's where we came from. We passed some while I was eating breakfast, and there's more to come up there too. So yeah, isn't this beautiful? Well, we're up here in the front of the bow of the ship, and it looks like we're kind of at a dead end here, which is very nice with all the glaciers up there. Look at that. We come around here to the other side. Up here, just gorgeous, calm waters here. You can see the reflection in there. Yeah, look at that. Yeah, this is a great scene here. Beautiful sun shining, and coming down in here, coming down in on the other side, coming down here, and here's the old ship. It's right up here. We're looking up there. Yeah. All right, beautiful morning here, and yeah, couldn't ask for anything more. Great view. A little windy here. I should have put the cover on. Oh well, okay. We're going up a little close here to look at this glacier. We're on the Zodiac here, passing some little chunks of ice that are broken off from the glacier. So we get a little closer. I'm in a bad spot here, but let's see if I can get a good angle here. I'm on the wrong side of the boat here, but that's okay. Okay. So you have a lot of little pieces of ice here on the boat. So there's our trusty ship over there, and this is the last day, the last off-ship excursion. Everybody's going to go, okay, well. They got one or two there. Okay. So we got a nice big glacier over here, and we're probably going to roll our way down back there. A little glimpse of sunlight coming in over there, so just what we need. A little bit of sun here. So we got a little pieces of ice here, so we'll keep moving around here. And we got a nice ice cave over there, a big one too. It's danger, Will Rogers, danger, not to go in there, risking your life. Looks like a little calving over there. I see some piles, and is that walruses or seals, or is that just dirt?
No, it's dirty, dirt on some ice.
Okay, dirt on some ice, or a rock or something that came out from the glacier then.
So
all right.
You can tell the viewers that it's
yeah. I'll put the circle on it there. So yeah. So there it is. We got our sun coming up here, and of course, yours truly here, reporting to you on my last day here. And it's not too cold. Just had the goggles on because my eyes water. But yeah, we're heading back to Oslo tomorrow, and then going home here. So, all right, and one-man travel here. Why don't you sign up? Become a subscriber. We love subscribers. We'll do a little panorama here.
Birds flying in and out of the cave sometimes.
Oh, okay. We got birds going in and out of the cave. Our little sun up there trying to poke through.
Did anyone see it?
Oh yeah, there's pieces
guys, watch
down.
the mouth of the cave, guys. Missing it.
Yeah.
Oh well.
They look like snowballs, but they're probably big chunks.
Yeah.
Yeah, big heavy chunks. So yeah, we're just kind of idling here. We got our other Zodiac.
If you want to see this, the cave, the mouth of the cave is carving quite a lot.
Well, in the cave over there, we just had a big chunk. Of course, I had the camera turned off then, so I didn't get it. But, you know, you see the birds coming out there. They're waiting for another one. Usually there's a few little tiny chunks that come down first, but didn't see any there, so, oh well. All right, we're up here. We're going to see, oh, there's another Zodiac there. The folks eagerly watching there and everything. They're all waving over there. Good. All right. They were coming back here. Our trusty ship is back there. Some more zodiacs around here. Little chunks of ice here. So what more could you ask for? All right. It wasn't much to see at this angle. Maybe from way over there. But it's a prelude. It's a prelude there. There's activity there, and maybe in the next 24 hours or something. Left side, there was some movement there. Left side. And I have a big micro SD card in here, so I can record like 6 hours. Oh. Oh well. We're all still anxiously awaiting for more pieces to fall off. We have a few small ones. Tension's building on the Zodiac here as everyone's on edge, literally on edge here, to wait for something to happen. And we're watching that cave over there. Some little pieces came down, but it'll wait till, you know, we start the engine and head back and we have our cameras tucked away in our pockets that we'll hear something then. But hey, I'm doing the best that I can here. Oh, hear a little rumble back there, probably inside the cave. Some of those noises are the Zodiacs hitting ice. Yeah, we just heard a little bit of a sound, little pieces falling in there, so maybe stuff happening, I don't know. As long as the battery's still working here. It's dark hole over there. I can't point it out. It's hard to see on the screen, but it's right about in there is the cave. And everybody's got their necks craned, so we're closely watching it, waiting for some major fall. They all seem to miss little ones. It's falling inside. So it could be some kind of catastrophic thing, a prelude to it here. We're heading back to the ship. There's our trusty vessel back there. We got radio calls going on here in back of me. So yeah, there we go. All dodging the ice here and everything. Ice debris field here that we're going to go through. Holding on because the Zodiac will jerk every now and then here. So yeah, nice reflection of the mountains and the water there too. Yeah, here's the ice debris field. Getting close to the ship here pretty soon. Coming back. Now we're going to put the box down here and we're going to start coming off.
Thank you guys. Okay, so last one, so
let's do this one.
Thanks, sir.
Thank you. All right, they're on the steps.
There, sir, yeah. No, Jack.